My name is Ammar.
My name is Filzah.
My name is Amila.
And my name is Mohd Hazman.
We would like to show you of our progress and upgraded work of our project.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the sorting and how does it works? Firstly, the waste will pass through capacitive proximity sensor, and this machine will sort waste based on different frequency of the waste. This is because different material have different frequency. After that, if one of the sensor has been turned on, the DC motor will activate it on a specific frequency. The door that will separate the type of waste will open eventually, and the waste will go onto the weighing scale section. As you can see, this is the code that has been developed by our team in order to make our machine system functionable. This is the picture of main component for our waste sorting part. And this is the electronic circuit connection of our sorting part.
So this is a hardware for weighing scale, and these are the components that we use. First, we have LCD display, 16 times 2. So the function is to display the weight, and breadboard, and we have Arduino Uno for burn the coding, and here we have load cell to weight the waste, and HX711 to read data, and we have potentiometer. Lastly, we have potentiometer to adjust the brightness for our LCD.
So this is the coding that we use for our weighing scale, and it needs to be burned into the Arduino Uno. So first we go see. First we need to define the pin that we use. So for here, DT and ST is the pin from HX711, and SW is a pin from Arduino Uno. And here the programming says DTFN output, and the situation when the DT high or ST low, and then the DT is set into input, and so on. So I will explain to you how the weighing scale is supposed to work. First, after we connect the hardware with the computer, that means we connect the Arduino, interfacing with the software, Arduino software that we use, and after we verify and upload the coding into the Arduino, the system of hardware should be turned on, and then the system or the hardware should be calibrating when the LCD will show a statement say calibrating and please wait. And after that, we need to put an item or waste material on top of the load cell. The item must be weighed around 100 gram and below, because in the coding we have set it to 100 gram and below. And then when we put after we put the weight, the waste or the item, the HX711 will read the data from the load cell, and then we will see at the LCD display the measurement or the weight, the real weight of the waste.
So we need to wait for the calibration. This is from the serial monitor Arduino software. Still calibrating. This is result for the calibration until we get 0 gram. This is reading from serial monitor. And for the circuit, we also for the LCD display also display 0 gram after we put an item that weight 100 gram.
Hi, I'm Amila. So now we move on to RFID part. Basically, we use RFID system for our RFID electronic payment at the recycling center. For this system to work, we can refer to the flow chart as shown. So here, the user will have a card. Every card will have its own serial number. So when the card is already registered by the admin, the card can be easily accessed. Otherwise, it will be denied. Okay, so firstly, the user will scan their card on the RFID reader. Once the card is recognized via the registered serial number, then the machine is turned on and the weight of the waste will display. Then the admin will self-key in the points in the user card and the user can redeem the points at the recycling center.
So here is the coding of RFID system. So the highlighted one is the welcoming notes which will be displayed on the LCD screen. And next we have the registered serial number. And once the serial number is registered, the admin can key in the data into the user card as follows. So once the card is not registered, the access will be denied. Otherwise, the access will be authorized and the key-in data will be uploaded into the user card. Okay, for RFID part, we have the main components which are Arduino Uno to burn the coding and the tag reader to tag the card.
For next progress and upgraded works is apps. For apps, the first idea as stated in design proposal was Grab Truck, where the app is meant to function likely as nowadays Grab or Uber, but it will call upon pickup truck for picking up recyclable waste more than certain weight. Since this Grab Truck app is so much complex to be achieved for a short amount of time, we proceed with the next idea, the new idea with building converter apps. The main idea of this app is it will function likely its name, converting weight into some kind of point or value worth of money. It is so much simple than the Get Truck. The user open the apps, enter the weight wanted to be convert, and press convert, and you will get the value of ringgit Malaysia. For building these apps, we are using Android Studio. So this is Android Studio. Android Studio can be said as a framework that includes every tools necessary for building apps. Android Studio use a Java language. Is our preview of our progress in building apps. As you can see, we already have the design and a layout of our base, but there is some error every now and then for running these apps. We are still figuring out on how to fix the problems and finding the best solution for making our apps a success.